If you love food, full stop, this cookery course is for you. And the byproduct is, it's all plant-based. We've put together this foundation cookery course to take you on the journey into plant-based cooking.
Hey!
Oh, look at that, that's fantastic.
We want to show you how easy it is to introduce this type of food into your everyday cooking.
We're going to teach you those foundations, stocks, sauces, soups, stews, exotic plants, and you're also going to learn to be able to recreate some of those classic dishes as well. So come and join us on this course and let's get cooking.